Building a lightweight CRM workflow for side hustlers doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. In fact, it can be simple, effective, and streamlined to fit your unique business needs. And I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few minutes. If you've been struggling to keep track of leads, clients, and follow-ups, you're in the right place. This quick guide will solve that problem. Here's the secret. You don't need a massive complex CRM system to get organized. What you need is a tool that automates the essential tasks like lead management, follow-ups, and tracking communications without overcomplicating things. First, let's talk about choosing the right CRM for your workflow. I've tested a lot of the popular software out there, and while many are powerful, they often come with a learning curve or too many unnecessary features. The software we'll be using today is lightweight, easy to set up, and specifically designed for people like you who don't want to spend all day learning a new system. In fact, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software, available only to my viewers, and you can get access to it right below the video. Now let's dive into building your lightweight CRM workflow. The first step is identifying your core needs. As a side hustler, you probably need to keep track of leads, manage follow-ups, and maybe even store important notes on your contacts. The good news is that you can achieve all this without a fancy enterprise-level system. Start by setting up a simple lead capture system. This could be as easy as using a contact form on your website, or even a manual method like a spreadsheet that feeds directly into your CRM. The key here is to keep it streamlined. Focus on the basics. Name, email, and a note about the interaction you had with the lead. Don't get caught up in adding unnecessary fields at this point. Next, set up automated follow-ups. One of the biggest time wasters for side hustlers is keeping track of when to follow up with people. With the software we're using, you can set reminders to follow up with leads after specific intervals, and even send automated emails to keep them engaged. Automating this process not only saves you time, but it also ensures no lead gets left behind. After that, it's time to categorize your contacts. This is an important step, especially as your side hustle grows. Create basic categories like new leads, interested, and converted, or whatever makes sense for your business. This simple categorization will help you stay organized and ensure you're prioritizing the right people. Then, focus on integrations. Many side hustlers use multiple tools to handle various parts of their business. Whether it's your email marketing platform, invoicing software, or project management tools, it's essential to integrate these systems into your CRM. This will allow you to access all your important business data in one place, saving you time and keeping your workflow smooth. Now let's talk about tracking communications. The software we're using allows you to log your interactions with leads directly in the CRM. This is super helpful because it gives you a history of conversations, making it easy to pick up right where you left off. It also ensures you're staying on top of your relationship with each client or lead. Finally, measure your success. Set up simple reports to track how many leads you're converting and how effective your follow-up emails are. You don't need complex analytics here, just enough data to help you improve your workflow as you go. Key takeaway: building a lightweight CRM workflow for your side hustle is all about simplifying the process. Choose a simple tool, capture essential lead info, automate follow-ups, categorize your contacts, integrate with other tools, and track your success. This doesn't need to be complex or overwhelming, just effective. To recap, start by choosing the right software for your needs. Set up simple lead capture, automate follow-ups, categorize contacts, integrate your tools, and track your performance. If you want to follow along and build your own CRM system, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we've used today, linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your side hustle CRM.